Alright everybody, we are here for another tornado siren test. Today we are in Deerfield Township here in Lapeer County, Michigan. This is the final test of the year for Lapeer County, as they only test their sirens from April till October. Today is October 1st. It's currently 12:56. The siren's going to be activating here in a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoy this test because the Redford test last month did not go as planned. So yeah, this time we're hopefully going to be able to see a Thunderbolt in action. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoy. Turn down your volume because this is a loud siren. So, all right, let's watch this thing in action. That was definitely one of the loudest sirens I filmed, guys, because every time that thing was pointing over here at me, I could feel the ground shaking. But wow, that was a really cool siren test. My first time out here in Deerfield Township to record this amazing refurbished Thunderbolt siren. This thing was amazing. They did a great job refurbishing it, and it sounds amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this month's test. Thank you guys as always for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.